Today what I have here is a laser projection keyboard. It is not new anymore, it's been out in the market for years now. Anyway, I still buy it because its price has gone down to where I can afford it. And I think it is still the coolest keyboard in the world. Although it has a plastic casing, but it doesn't look or feel cheap. It also comes with the shortest charging cable I've ever seen. And a manual in English as well as Chinese. The manual is surprisingly clear and informative. Good. Okay, let's turn it on. I think it still have some juice inside. Wow, this is crazy, man. It's just like in science fiction. You can hold down function key and tap the down key to reduce the brightness. Or tap the up key to increase the brightness. To reduce the volume, need to hold down the function key and tap the left key. Or tap the right key to increase the volume. You already seen how the keyboard looks in the dark background. Now this is how it looks on a light color wooden table and on a white background. Okay, now let's compare the keyboard size with a normal keyboard. The projected keyboard is actually spaced a little bit wider than a normal keyboard, but all the punctuation keys are crammed on top. Now let's connect it to a computer through Bluetooth. Anyway, the keyboard also can connect to any phone or tablet with Bluetooth. Alright, now it's connected. By touching the arrow key there, we'll turn the whole keyboard into a touchpad. But the touchpad resolution is very low. And mouse movement is very choppy and quite unpredictable, so I would just skip this function. I think we'll be better off with a touchpad or mouse. Okay, let's do some typing tests. I'm using keyhero.com to check my typing speed. First, I tried to type like I usually type on a normal keyboard with all 10 fingers. Immediately I found it's harder to type while you can't feel the keys. Oops, I don't know where my finger is touching. So I have to look at the key every time I type. Most of the punctuation marks are on top row, so I need some time to get used to it. Sometimes it just can't register a key when typed too fast. Okay, there the result. I think it's pretty bad. By comparison to a normal keyboard, my typing speed on a laser keyboard is far worse. So I try again by using two fingers typing. Hope I can get a better result. The result is a bit better than full fingers typing, but it is still worse than a normal keyboard. So I would say the keyboard is actually harder to use. I just couldn't think of any situation that I would use this keyboard. So in conclusion, the coolest keyboard in the world is actually the worst. Thanks for watching.